Hi, I'm Andy Mattingly with your Financial Readiness discussion on the goals to accomplish for each stage of your life. Each stage of your life represents an opportunity to build a financial future. The key to a successful financial life is working through each decade of your life, meeting as many of these key success factors as possible. Building an understanding of what you should have already accomplished and what you still need to complete will help you formulate a plan to move forward no matter your current stage of life. By the time you reach the age of 20, you should have mastered a few basic money skills, which include the difference between needs and wants, understanding that there are only 3 uses for money: save it, spend it, or share it, how to save for a goal, and finally, the basics of managing a checking account, including how to use a debit card, the mobile app, and perhaps even a mobile wallet. In your 20s, the focus should be about starting several important habits and establishing goals that include building a basic budget, understanding and improving your credit score, establishing a basic estate plan, and finally, beginning to save for your retirement. All 4 of these goals provide the foundation for the rest of your life and can help you achieve your future goals. When you're in your 30s, the goals become even more critical because if you fail to reach them in your 30s, you could spend years undoing the damage. First, reaching 10% or more for retirement savings is very critical. Managing your debt is also key because you will have more debt than any other time in your life compared to your income when you're in your 30s. This is when you need to talk about how to add the proper level of insurance, and finally, you must use your budget to help you make important financial decisions, especially those that involve your expenses. Moving into the next age range of being in your 40s, the focus is turned to several strategies geared to build upon what you did in your first 20 years of working. These goals include building several types of emergency funds, reducing your lifestyle expenses, growing your net worth, and finally, all major expenses are funded from savings, so you avoid the need to add additional debt. The 50s are critical years in building your future after you retire from work. These goals should be tackled earlier in your 50s if possible. It starts with building a relationship with a financial planning professional, because this relationship can help you reach the second goal of maximizing all of your retirement savings opportunities. 2 other goals include building a nest egg outside of your retirement funds and figuring out your long-term care insurance. When you reach your 60s, there are critical steps to complete prior to retirement, and these goals are the foundation of having the retirement you desire. Build a retirement budget and live it for a couple of years before you retire. Will help you know if you can really retire or not. Understand government benefits, and also make sure you've made healthcare decisions for your retirement years. Revisit your estate plan and update it for retirement. The most important goal, have 15 to 25 times your income saved so that you can fund your retirement of your dreams. Reaching goals doesn't end once you turn 70. 4 very important goals need to be attained after you reach the age of 70. First, have planned spending so that you can enjoy your retirement. Stay active and find meaningful pursuits. Make your money last your lifetime. And finally, live a healthy lifestyle so you can keep your medical issues from draining your financial resources. Financial readiness is attainable for everyone, and it all starts with your commitment to reach this goal. To learn more and find helpful tools and resources, visit the Financial Readiness page at forumcu.com or check out other videos at the Forum Credit Union YouTube channel.